Ceclo, the future of water travel. Ceclo is transforming how we travel on water with its innovative mix of hydrofoil technology and sustainable energy. But it's not just a boat, it's an unforgettable experience. Imagine gliding smoothly above the water, surrounded by breathtaking views, and seeing the world from a fresh, new angle. With its sleek, modern design, Ceclo is perfect for exploring coastlines, islands, and waterways in a way that's both exciting and eco-friendly. Whether you're looking for an adventure, a relaxing escape, or a fresh approach to commuting, Ceclo has you covered. Get ready to enjoy a thrilling hydrofoiling ride that's not only fast but also incredibly smooth and comfortable. Ceclo is here to make water travel more fun, more sustainable, and more futuristic. The future of eco-friendly water transportation is now with Ceclo. DeepFlight Personal Submarine. Explore the ocean like never before. The DeepFlight Personal Submarine is a state-of-the-art underwater vehicle designed for personal ocean exploration. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this submarine can dive as deep as 400 feet, offering an unforgettable underwater experience. Unlike traditional subs, DeepFlight glides through the water like an airplane, thanks to its positive buoyancy and dynamic wings. It's powered by quiet, eco-friendly electric thrusters that let you explore without disturbing marine life. From its cockpit, you'll enjoy 360 degrees visibility, making it perfect for discovering the wonders of the deep. Plus, its user-friendly controls ensure a smooth, safe, and stylish ride. Ideal for ocean lovers, yacht owners, and eco-tourism adventurers, the DeepFlight Personal Submarine lets you experience the underwater world in an exciting and environmentally conscious way. CityHawk eVTOL revolutionizing urban travel. Urban Aeronautics CityHawk eVTOL is set to revolutionize city transportation. This compact, cutting-edge aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for navigating tight urban spaces. Its hydrogen fuel cells mean it's completely emission-free, making it a green choice for eco-conscious travelers. With the capacity to carry up to 6 passengers, the CityHawk is versatile enough for air taxis, emergency medical services, or personal commutes. It boasts advanced safety features, including robust backup systems and noise-reducing technology, ensuring a quiet and reliable ride. The CityHawk is designed to make urban travel faster, safer, and more sustainable. Discover how this innovative eVTOL is reshaping the future of city mobility, offering a cleaner and more efficient way to get around. GoSun EV Solar Charger. The future of on-the-go EV charging. The GoSun EV Solar Charger is a game-changer for electric vehicle drivers. Using high-efficiency solar panels, it quickly recharges your EV's battery, and thanks to its portable, compact design, you can take it anywhere. Say goodbye to the stress of searching for charging stations. This solar charger lets you power up wherever you are, whenever you need to. It offers fast charging to get you back on the road quickly, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Built to withstand any weather, it's durable and reliable, making it perfect for all kinds of adventures. If you're ready for a cleaner, greener, and more convenient way to charge your EV, the GoSun EV Solar Charger is the solution. SeaBubbles. The future of urban water transport. SeaBubbles is a revolutionary water taxi that aims to reshape how we travel in cities by utilizing rivers and waterways. Using advanced hydrofoil technology, it lifts above the water, reducing drag for a smoother, quieter, and more efficient ride. Powered entirely by electricity, SeaBubbles is a zero-emission vehicle, helping reduce both traffic congestion and pollution in busy urban areas. Its sleek, futuristic design features a spacious cabin with large panoramic windows, offering passengers breathtaking views as they glide effortlessly across the water. Perfect for city rivers and coastal routes, SeaBubbles combines sustainability with innovation, providing a cleaner, faster, and more enjoyable way to navigate crowded cities. Whether you're commuting or sightseeing, this eco-friendly solution promises to make urban mobility greener and more efficient. Race Popup Next. The future of urban transport. Introducing Race Popup Next, a revolutionary transportation concept from Audi, Airbus, and AAEL Design. Picture a fully electric, autonomous vehicle designed to adapt to your needs. This cutting-edge concept features a modular design where a passenger capsule can easily connect to either a ground module for smooth, on-road travel or a flight module for swift aerial movement. This unique flexibility allows you to bypass traffic and choose the most efficient routes. Advanced AI manages all travel logistics, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. With Race Popup next, you get a glimpse into a future where urban mobility is not only smart and sustainable but also incredibly interconnected. This innovation aims to redefine how we navigate cities, combining the best of driving and flying into one sleek, eco-friendly package. The P-791 Airship, a skyward innovation. The P-791 Airship is a cutting-edge blend of blimp and airplane technology. Debuting in 2006, it featured a unique tri-hole design and a smart landing system. Although it didn't make the cut for the U.S. Army's LMV program, it continues to shine in the commercial sector as the Skytug, which can lift up to 20 short tons of cargo. Now, the P-791's groundbreaking tech is evolving with the new Z-1 hybrid airship from two aerospace companies. This next-gen airship is set to transform cargo transport by combining the nostalgic appeal of airships with the modern efficiency needed for today's logistics. It's more than just a transport vehicle. It's a glimpse into a future where airships are a key part of how we move goods around the globe. Volocopter 2X, the future of urban air travel. The Volocopter 2X is an innovative electric aircraft set to transform city transportation. With 18 rotors, it can take off and land vertically, making it convenient and environmentally friendly. Designed for comfort and capable of autonomous flight, it's redefining how we think about flying. This advanced aircraft will help reduce traffic and pollution, offering new possibilities like aerial taxis, cargo delivery, and even emergency services like medical transport and search and rescue. Whether you're commuting across the city or responding to an urgent situation, the Volocopter 2X is paving the way for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient mode of travel. Electric flight is no longer a dream, it's here, and the Volocopter 2X is leading the charge into this exciting new future. Xpeng Aeroht, the future of electric supercars. Meet the Xpeng Aeroht, a game-changer in the world of electric cars. This sleek supercar packs a punch with its dual electric motors, delivering a thrilling 1,024 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. It's not only about speed. The Aeroht comes with a stunning 15.6-inch touchscreen, smart AI driver assistance, and 360 degrees cameras to keep you safe and informed. With an impressive range of around 435 miles and super-fast charging, you can enjoy the drive without constantly worrying about your battery. The Xpeng Aeroht isn't just fast, it's a perfect blend of style, intelligence, and sustainability. Dive into the future of driving with this groundbreaking electric supercar.